Hi, and welcome to 1261 East Lakewood here in Springfield, Missouri. This is located south of Cox Hospital. It's right off of South National. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, fenced backyard. Let's go ahead and go on in and take a look at this one. It does have the vinyl plank flooring throughout except for the stairs right there. It's got a nice large living area here. As you can see, that's a storage closet under the stairs there. Here's the dining area. Does have tile floors in the kitchen. Go ahead and let you take a look at the back deck and the privacy fenced yard. It is all brick home. It does come with the stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher. Here on the ground floor, we do have 1 bedroom. Nice sized bedroom here. And we have a half bath here on this ground floor as well. And it does have the tile floor in the bath here. It does come with a 2-car garage. Does have an opener you can see right here. And now we're going to go ahead and go on up and let you take a look at the rest of the bedrooms that are upstairs. Again, has the vinyl plank flooring. Here is one of the master bedrooms upstairs. Does have a nice size home here. Does have the ceiling fan. Full bath right here. Has a really nice walk-in closet here. Good size walk-in closet. And you can see that it has the walk-in shower here as well. I will go ahead and go on out and let you take a look at the rest up here. Here is your laundry room. It is separate and can be closed off here. Another bedroom upstairs does have the ceiling fan. Nice size closet here. And here is the 4th bedroom, 3rd one upstairs. Nice size bedroom here as well. Closet area here. And here is the 2nd full bath upstairs. Does have a tub shower combo. And there you have 1261 East Lakewood here in Springfield, Missouri. We look forward to seeing you.